On behalf of the Bay Lakes Council, thank you for joining us for this webinar and for all you do for Scouting. My name is Scott Domino. I serve as the Director of Support Services for the Bay Lakes Council. The outdoors is a laboratory for fun, adventure, and allows the values of Scouting to come alive. In this presentation, you will learn about the details of our camping programs this summer. We are committed to providing the facilities, program, and camp staff that will consistently exceed your expectations. Thank you for joining us this summer, and I look forward to seeing you at camp.
Thank you, Scott. My name is Josh Anderson, and I have the honor and privilege of serving as the Program Director for Bay Lakes Council. As we get started this evening, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for spending your time changing the lives of young people. I truly believe that Scouting changes lives, and this belief shows up every summer when the sounds of excitement and laughter fill the air and the smiles can be seen on the faces of all the Scouts in camp as we walk by. Planning for 2022 began in August of last year, and the program team at Bay Lakes Council is committed to bringing you, your Scouts, and your guests at summer camp an unbelievable experience. Tonight, we are going to outline some of the changes we have made to make this summer an outstanding experience for all of you. The goal of this team is continuous improvement in all that we do, and I am so excited for the opportunity to serve you and your Scouts. The first improvement to highlight is our new shortened web links. We purchased the domain .camp for each one of our camps to make navigation to camp-specific information quick and easy. If you are attending Bear Paw or Hiawatha, you can easily navigate bearpaw.camp or hiawatha.camp website to get all this camp-specific forms and information related to summer camp this summer. Now, this is a disclaimer. These sites will be under constant construction as we lead into the summer season. We are working on a complete redesign of the Bay Lakes Camp's website to simplify and streamline the look and information posted to this site. As such, many items may move or look different each time you visit us on the web. I know this can be frustrating, but I am confident that you will enjoy the finished product going forward. Next, we are going to take an opportunity to answer some frequently asked questions to help you prepare to visit us this summer. For that, I'm going to turn it over to Laura Martin to help us. Laura?
Thank you, Josh and Scott, and welcome leaders and parents to the Scouts BSA Summer Camp webinar. I am Laura Martin, your Bay Lakes Council Program Service Representative. If you need any assistance or have questions regarding your online summer camp reservation, please reach out to me 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday at the email or phone number listed below. I will be going through with you this evening answers to some frequently asked questions. On the screen, you will see the prices for Scouts BSA sessions of our camps. All of our Bay Lakes Council camps will follow these payment deadlines. $10 per person deposit due at the time of reservation. A $65 first payment installment per participant is due April 15th if the $10 deposit has been paid. All final balances are due June 1st, 2022. If registering or paying in full after June 1st, a $25 per participant late fee will be applied. This is excluding new Scouts. For the check-in process, one vehicle and trailer per unit can be brought to the campsites. Vehicle must be returned to the parking lot prior to the dinner on Sunday of your arrival. All required forms can be found on the camp's websites. All participants must complete parts A through C of the annual health and medical records and bring a copy of the form to camp, as these forms will not be returned to the participants. Pre-camp swim tests can be taken prior to your arrival by having a BSA lifeguard, Red Cross lifeguard, or equivalent administer the test and certify the results using the unit swim classification record form. For Camp Hiawatha, all adults will need to complete the central registry clearance form. Program signups will be available starting March 1st. This will include signups for programs like Microtrek and ATV at Bear Paw. The Gardner Dam Whitewater Weekend Adventure will be available for signups soon. For assistance with online program signup, please view the class signup video on the camp website. There are new merit badge options available at Bear Paw and Camp Hiawatha this year. Please view pages 19 through 21 of the Bear Paw Guidebook or pages 18 through 20 of the Hiawatha Guidebook for a schedule, list of merit badges offered, and any prerequisites that are required. For Bear Paw only, meals can be selected under the registrant contact information for the unit's online registration. All meals can be eaten in the dining hall, patrol cooked, or a combination of the two for Monday through Friday of your stay. If patrol breakfasts are selected, all breakfasts during your stay will be patrolled cook. Like in the past, all meals at Camp Hiawatha will be patrol cooked in the campsites. All adults, whether they are attending one day or the full week, must be BSA registered adults to include completion of the BSA adult application, youth protection training, and background check. For partial week adults or scouts, currently there will be no specific day in which they will need to arrive. If a participant needs to leave camp for any reason this year, they will be allowed to come back to camp. This is subject to change pending any regional pandemic health concerns. Now back to Josh for more information.
Thank you, Laura. Appreciate the help in answering those frequently asked questions. Now moving on to another topic of what's new this year is actually something that has gone away. Second session discounts is a question that we have been getting as we've been preparing for the summer camp season. This year, we are not offering second session discounts due to the increased level of popcorn and Friends of Scouting incentives that Bay Lakes Council units have earned. This may be something that comes back in the future, but for 2022, it will not be offered. Next, I'd like to cover another new item for this year is our t-shirt orders. New this year, you will be able to pre-order custom t-shirts online for everyone in your unit to wear at camp. Shirts cost $14 each and will be customized with your unit number, city, and state. Shirts are a 50-50 poly cotton blend. Think of your entire unit looking sharp, building good group spirit, and having a quality garment that you can advertise for years to come. There is no minimum order, and these t-shirts, like I said, will be available when you arrive at camp. Another item I'd like to cover that's new this year is something that we had in the past that is being brought back for 2022, and that is provisional camp. We are offering provisional camp currently in session 6 at Bear Paw Scout Camp. Any scouts that are looking to attend camp for a second or third week are welcome to register in provisional camp for week 6 at Bear Paw. We are also looking forward to week 6 at Bear Paw, as this will serve as our experimental week for some new programs that we are testing for 2023. So if you have scouts that are interested in attending a second week or a third week, there will be some, let's just call it extra activities at week 6 at Bear Paw that are currently not being advertised and are still under development. So I'll just leave it at that for now. The last new addition that I'd like to highlight for tonight's meeting is the addition of a leaders thank you dinner that we will be serving at Bear Paw Scout Camp each and every Tuesday of the camping season. This is an opportunity for us to get the leaders together that are in camp, thank them for all that they do for youth, as well as recognize some of our overachieving staff members, in addition to listening to feedback from the leaders. We will be delivering our camp leader survey during this dinner, also hearing from council leadership to give a state of scouting in the Bay Lakes Council. It should be very exciting, and we are looking forward to bringing this new addition to our summer camp schedule for 2022. Well, folks, that's going to do it for our webinar this evening. Just want to touch base on a few reminders as we close out this presentation. All the information that we've covered tonight can be found on the .camps website. So whatever camp you're attending this summer, all the forms related to the information that we've been discussing in this webinar are located there. You can also reach us at the email addresses and phone numbers that we've provided in this webinar. And we will also be answering questions throughout the evening in the comment section on our YouTube channel. With that being said, thank you so much for taking the time to learn a little bit more about what we're doing this summer at summer camp. And we look forward to seeing you in camp